Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I'll be talking about my DIY giant whiteboard. So here's what you'll need. A hardboard thrifty white tile board from Home Depot. At this point it's on their website for $13.74. You also need cap molding for the outer edges of the board. You will need 3 of those. And to hang the whiteboard, I used nails and mirror clips. It was an 8-pack from Home Depot. And the cost of that was $3.28. The cap molding, the price for that was $2.61. So in total, I spent around $24.85 for everything that I needed for this whiteboard. So I'll leave the dimensions of the whiteboard on the screen so you can see how big it is. For my wall, the space that I had to put the board on, there is an electrical socket on the wall, so I had to cut out an opening in the whiteboard just so we could make space for that electrical outlet. And then we put the cap molding so we had to cut out a square in the whiteboard just to accommodate the socket that was on the wall. That's very unfortunate, but it's fine. We made it work. So we cut out a hole, we put cap molding around it, and then we put cap molding around the entire and then we put cap molding around the edges of the whiteboard. Because they had to cut the whiteboard in Home Depot, you will find that the edges are very sharp, so if you don't use something to cover it, you can definitely get injured when trying to put the whiteboard up. So I do recommend cap molding, or if you don't want cap molding and you want something that looks more fancy, you can get a whiteboard border from Amazon. They have a lot of different colors and patterns and everything. So if you want a beautiful color or something that's just easy to put on, then you can go with a whiteboard border from Amazon or wherever else you can get those items from. So at this point, the whiteboard is being kept in place by the nail clips, by the mirror clips. So there are 2 mirror clips on each side of the board. So in total, we have 8 mirror clips holding up the board. I just want to mention that this is a 2-person job. So please don't think that you can do this on your own unless you are some super person with several hands or something. Otherwise, you're definitely going to need someone else to help you. And just a tip, I would recommend that you order the board on Home Depot's website before you actually go to the store, because we went on the website and realized that the boards were in stock at the store. So instead of ordering the boards, we just went straight to the store, and when we got there we realized that they didn't have any. We went to another store because they mentioned that they had the boards there, and when we got in, there was no one there to cut the boards. So you want to ensure that you order it online first so they can actually prepare the board, so when you get there you can just collect it and go. You won't have to wait or be inconvenienced because someone isn't there to cut it for you. So that's a major tip that you can go with. So I decided to get myself a whiteboard because I'll be studying from home. My classes will be online this semester, and I know that is the case for many other students. So I think a whiteboard will be a great investment, especially if you have a photographic memory like I do, or you are a visual learner. You can write out your notes and stuff like that. For me, when I write out my notes, when I go back in the exam, I can literally visualize the page that I wrote the exam on or the whiteboard and just see where exactly I had my notes. So that's one of the reasons I decided to get a whiteboard. If you are a teacher and you'll be teaching online classes from home or from your office, this is definitely a good investment. I mean, the board costs around $15, and in total everything ran me like $25. So I mean, that's not money. But let's get into testing out the board. So I'm actually gonna write on the board with my different markers and see how it turns out.
In this clip, I tested out different brands of markers and different erasers just to see which ones worked best on the whiteboard. And for me, I found that using a microfiber cloth and some alcohol, or the solution that comes with the markers that you would spray on the board to erase everything, those items are best for cleaning the board. I have been using the board for over a month now, and it has been doing a really great job of, holding up. And I've had no issues with erasing anything I've written when I use the microfiber towel, so I definitely do recommend that. In a few months, I will come back if life spares and give you guys an update about the board, let you know how you can improve the quality of the board, and just other little details and stuff that you might want to know. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.